Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to order Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra device. Currently I have this good looking S23 Ultra which I am going to give for exchange, and I will get the new S25 Ultra device. So as you can see, this device is in very good condition. There is no scratches or any kind of damage. So for this I will be getting exchange price of 60,000 almost, and there are some additional vouchers which I will apply to reduce the overall price. So let's get started. So let's open the Samsung shop app and select the S25 Ultra. There are multiple colors here, but I will go for titanium jet black, which looks good to me. It's kind of a classy, it's kind of a matte finish, so I like that. If you see, we have some pre-order offer where you will get 512 GB of storage in the price of 256, so you will save 12,000 almost. I'll go for exchange here, so let's select the exchange to yes, fill my details already, and there are two options of exchange. One is smart, another is instant. I will go for instant because here the amount which you are getting for the exchange, that gets deducted right away and you need to pay the remaining amount only, whereas for smart exchange you need to pay the whole overall amount and they will return back the exchange amount. So I'm not going to take that risk, so I'm going for instant. So the overall price comes to 70,759, but hold on, we'll still apply some tricks to reduce the overall price. So I have made a new Samsung account here, and in that one I have got 4,000 of voucher, so I'll apply that voucher. So before doing that, let's see what are the offers which we are getting. So first one, double your storage, so you will getting 512 GB instead of 256 at the same price, and additional instant bank discount, which I'm not getting because I'm going for exchange. For exchange I'm getting 9,000 of additional value, and the shop app welcome benefit, that is what I was talking about, 4,000 of Samsung shop voucher. You will also get some smart club reward points which you can use later, and if you buy some smartwatch or buds, then you can get some additional discount, but I am not going for that. Let's proceed. So if you see, I'll also apply my 4,000 voucher, right? So let's apply that, and now the overall price comes down to 66,759. that is a good price, right? So I have used this S23 Ultra device for 2 years and still I'm getting kind of a 60,000, which is good. So you can see discount is 16,000, 12,000 plus 4,000 of voucher, and 59 to 40 is the exchange amount. One thing to note, if you have applied the corporate Samsung app, then you may have got some insurance kind of a thing for damage, which I'm not gonna select because I'll get less value there for me. So now it's showing the delivery of 14th Feb, which is 8 days later from today. Today is 6th Feb 2025. It's not too early, it's not too far, it's okay. So let's fill the OTP, and 3, 2, 1, boom, your order has been received. Awesome. So this is my order ID and I have saved 75,000 to 40 rupees. So let's summarize this. Overall device was of 1,41,999. I got 16,000 of discount, instant exchange discount of 59,000 to 40, and it comes down to 66,759 rupees, Indian rupees. So if you made till here, thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you want some videos related to S25 Ultra when I receive it. So please comment what kind of videos you want. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a good day.